Okay, welcome you all in workshop practice lab. Here this is the notice board for workshop practice lab, and now friends of workshop practice lab, that is KWS 101P, and this one is workshop practice lab where different sections of workshop is available here. This is the welding section, and this is the welding section. Here electric arc welding is performed, and yes. Okay, so this is a electric arc welding section. Now, this is the machining section of the workshop practice lab, and here lathe machines are available for different kind of operations. Here you can see that on this lathe machine, turning operation is going on. So this one is a lathe machine on where different kind of operations are performed on cylindrical. This one is the drilling section of workshop practice lab. Drilling operation is performed on the workpiece, that is mild steel. So in this section we will perform drilling operation, tapping operation, and then finalize the workpiece. Bin number is allotted to different group of students, and when they will finalize their objective, and then there will final job will be here collected according to the bin number. Carpentry section and fitting section of workshop practice lab. Here you can see. So here we are making the fitting saw, carpentry saw. There are a planing operation which is performed on the wooden jaw. The fitting section of carpentry saw. Here mild steel specimen is cut into two parts, and then assembly is made by a proper fitting section.